Well, here I am. I'm all done the farmhouse. I have kind of an exciting announcement I want to make, though. Tonight, on our Renovision channel, which is our other channel, where Max goes through a lot of work telling the story behind the scenes about the renovation. We have a premiere tonight, which means I'm going to be live in the chat, and Max has got a treat for everybody. He's put together a really amazing video about the entire journey with all the original before and afters. There's gonna be a lot of treats in that video, and I'm gonna encourage everybody. Wow, that's it. Put the tools away now. I want to encourage you all to just hit the link over here, okay? Join us for that journey tonight. It's 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, so there's time for everybody to set the reminders and be there in the chat. Really hope you can enjoy this one with us. It's been a pleasure bringing all this information to you. Hopefully it's helped you out. And of course, right here on DIY channel, we've got another few weeks of the videos from this farmhouse still being released. All right, so we aren't gonna disappear. We're gonna finish doing all those DIY shots, and then we're moving right into the church. We'll see you in the next video soon, but we're gonna see you here tonight. Cheers.